Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Figma with Webflow. First, understand that Figma is a leading design tool, perfect for crafting detailed user interfaces. Webflow, on the other hand, is an incredibly robust visual development platform for bringing those designs to life on the web. Combining these two powerful platforms creates a seamless and efficient workflow, significantly improving your design-to-development process. This integration ensures greater accuracy and consistency between your design vision and the final live website. When designing in Figma for Webflow, organization is key. Begin by structuring your Figma file with clear frames and reusable components. Leverage Figma's auto layout and constraints features to ensure your designs are inherently responsive across various screen sizes. Establish a comprehensive style guide detailing colors, typography, and spacing, which will serve as your single source of truth. Finally, prepare all your assets, such as images and icons, for straightforward export, ensuring optimal quality and file size. Exporting your assets efficiently is a crucial step. For raster images like photographs, export them in optimized formats such as JPEG or PNG to maintain quality while minimizing file size. Vector graphics, including icons and illustrations, should be exported as SVG files to ensure perfect scalability without any loss of resolution. You can also directly copy CSS properties from Figma, like colors and typography, to apply them precisely in Webflow. Consider using third-party plugins to further streamline this entire asset transfer process. Now, it's time to bring your design to life in Webflow. Recreate your Figma layout meticulously using Webflow's intuitive visual canvas, paying close attention to spacing and alignment. Apply the styles and components you defined in your Figma style guide to maintain visual consistency. Crucially, ensure your website is fully responsive, adapting flawlessly across desktop, tablet, and mobile devices. Finally, thoroughly test and refine the live site to achieve a pixel-perfect match with your original Figma design, ensuring a high-quality user experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.